Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing how I made my autumn wreath, which you can see in the background here. So all you will need is some sticks. So we've just been collecting lots of sticks on our walks when we're out. You'll need a glue gun, and then I've also used some artificial flowers and leaves. So that is all you need. So if you'd like to make one too, then please keep watching and I'll show you how I made it. So what I did first was had a look at all the sticks that we'd collected and tried to find some that had a curved shape. They don't have to have a curved shape, but it's just helpful. And I'm breaking them up into smaller pieces and then making a circle out of them.
Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. And try to make it up for my mistakes. But everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay?
So now I've got a circle shape that I'm happy with. I'm just choosing lots of sticks and breaking them up into smaller pieces, ready to be glued. Now I've got the glue gun out and I'm gluing the first one down. So what I'm doing is I'm just sticking one stick on top of the two lower sticks in the circle to join them together, and that's what I'll do all the way round, and I'll just keep adding and building and just seeing where I can add the sticks, and eventually we will have a wreath.
But I made too many mistakes. Your heart will break because of me. But I just want you to stay. Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay? Please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend.
So here I am just testing to see if it has actually worked, because I wasn't sure whether I'd be able to do this or not, and it has worked. So here we've got all the sticks joined together, so now I'm just going to build on it and make it sturdier.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love?
As you can probably tell, I didn't do this all in one night, so this is the next night, and I'm just going to continue to add more and more sticks until I am happy with the thickness of the wreath.
Your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is leaves that start with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
So here we have my finished wreath. I am happy with the thickness here, so I'm going to stop. You could do it thicker if you like, but yeah, you just keep adding until you're happy with it. So now I'm going to be adding some flowers and some autumn leaves. So I've chosen this bouquet of sunflowers, which I got from the range. I think it was only about £3, and then I had these autumn leaves from Amazon. I think they were about £2 or £3 as well. And I'm just arranging the flowers, and once I'm happy with where they are, I glue them down, and then I will also add the autumn leaves to it as well. So here we have the end result, and I am so happy with it. I love it so much. I'm thinking of making a Christmas one as well, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to beat this one because I just really love the colours of it and I love sunflowers. So what I might do is have this one in the living room and then make a Christmas one for the front door. But yeah, anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what you think of it and if you think I should make a Christmas one too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!